gold?
Yeah.
He's on that movie Holes.
You know how cats are supposed to have 9 lives, right?
Yeah.
So if not, I would never do this because I love animals. But if someone were to shoot a cat, would it not die? Like a zombie cat.
Well, mine only made it count like 10%.
Go PETA.
This is gross.
Like turning around.
Oh yeah.
It's the frozen hot chocolate that is now melted and has been sitting in a car that's been in like 90-degree weather. That's gross.
Ew.
Anybody want it? Yum. Ah, don't! We're gonna crash! See, this is exit only. You don't enter! What the hell?
Normal buses.
Wow, you can read. I'm surprised.
I want to see 8 movies on there, but 3 of them twice.
Yeah, anyway. Good, I'm glad you can read. 1 buffalo chicken wrap, $7.95. 1 strawberry frap, $3.95. 1 named Chris.
Priceless.
Boom! 4 houses, Hollywood.
9,750,000.
You got 8 million there though. You only
Got
need
8,
$1 million.
Yeah, so
Give them the blue. No, don't mortgage them. Right? Might as well.
if
Right.
they're worth enough.
Yeah, mortgage.
Yeah, they
don't
are.
give anything. Shit.
Let me count again. Hold
Didn't I
on.
just lose 9 million like 2 minutes ago?
So what was it? 9 million? 1, 2, 3, 4,
750.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You two are never gonna get them though.
9 million what?
750,000.
I have 60,000.
Did you give him 9,750,000?
Yeah, I did.
It's 9,750,000.
Oh, it is. Oh, wait, no.
Wait, she can mortgage another house.
Still gonna take the money anyway.
How much is that house? How much is that one?
Come on, Chico, do your dance.
You gotta mortgage them all. How much are they worth?
Why just 2 million properties? And you can be 3rd place.
No, I don't want to be 3rd place. That's not me.
Is it worth it to sell the house instead of mortgaging? Because at least you still get money if you sell your house back. If you mortgage, you don't get
Yeah, but
anything.
she only gets to sell back for half of what she paid.
How much do I owe
But
you
once
now?
you mortgage, if they land on it,
I did 9 million.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
How much left?
She's kind of
do I
in
have
a
to-
vat.
750.
I'd sell the houses.
I say you'd be nice and give peasant property.
Why don't you just
red
give me-
properties.
Oh, I got it right here. 5, 6, 7, 750. Yeah.
Did you have any to buy off or no?
So these are all mortgaged?
These are all
Some,
mortgaged.
but I can-
Let's go like
I'm
this.
probably gonna
Put them to the
have
side
to
over
give it a
here.
couple seconds.
Put them in the mortgaged.
So those are
Mortgage.
whatever those are, they're free.
He's getting right up and he's like,
Can I buy those?
yeah, but you
can-
have
but
to
you have to
pay for the
pay
mortgage.
for the
The mortgage plus the
That's
price.
fine, I'll pay that.
Does it give it to me?
Wait,
No.
No, the bank is your mortgage.
The mortgage, yeah.
My
You
turn?
just mortgaged it back to the bank.
So how much is it? I'm mortgaging whatever that garbage.
All right, I'm 3rd place. You just want everything?
Wait, can I ask you a question? The houses that
I'm
you
out, I'm
mortgaged-
Are we done?
Wait, the houses that she mortgaged, do you have houses on them?
Do I have a
The
house?
property that she mortgaged, do
Gina
you have
has-
houses on them?
Yeah.
She has to sell the houses first.
Okay.
To the left.
1
Put on a shirt. That's not attractive at all.
He's not 6-pack. He's 6-pack.